In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix non-payment option not showing in App Store. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Then go ahead and click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Navigate to the option payment and shipping and authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode if prompted. If the none option is not available, the most common reason is that you have an active subscription, an unpaid balance or a pending purchase linked to your Apple account. To check that, head back and navigate to the option subscription. Cancel any active subscription you no longer need. Also check your purchase history to make sure there are no pending transactions or unpaid charges. Once all outstanding balance have been cleared, the none option may be available. Next, check the family sharing. If you are part of a family sharing group and purchase sharing is enabled, the family organizer controls the payment method. In this case, none option may not appear. You will need to leave the family sharing group or ask the family organizer to manage the payment settings. You should also verify your country or region. For that, navigate to the option media and purchases, click on view account, click on the option country. Check that your region or country is set correctly. Some regions require a valid payment method and don't allow the none option in the certain situations. If the option still does not appear, sign out of your Apple account. For that, you can head back. Click on sign out and confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and sign back in. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. Then check for software update. For that, navigate back. Go to the option general. Then head over to the option software update. If you found out any updates over here, just update your device software to its latest version. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.